Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to make fake donuts. Now the first thing we need to do is get a mold. Now you can buy these molds, let me show you, just like this, and yeah, they will do the job. Now you can make, we're going to make it with the air dry clay, but so you could actually roll the air dry clay into a long sausage and then wrap it round with a hole in the middle to make a donut that way. But I'm going to show you this way. And yes, without further ado, let's get on with that. Now, I'm going to use this product, Daz. I've talked about this before, and I've got some over from another project. And this is air dry clay, and it's all very good, and it does what it says on the tin, if you know what that means. And yeah, it's all ready. So what I'm going to do is just open it up, as you can see, like so. And we're going to need a little bit of this for this particular project. And there it is there. So I'll just move that out the way. And then all you need to do is knead it. Now, you just knead it until you get any lumps or anything like that out of it. I mean, if you've sealed the container correctly, there shouldn't be any lumps anyway. So it shouldn't take you very long just to quickly knead the clay like I'm doing now. And yes, then what we're going to do is just pull a piece off, and don't worry if you haven't got enough, or haven't got enough, or you've got too much, because we're going to just bring back our mold, and we're going to roll it into a sausage, and then we're going to basically place it in the mold like so. So let me just roll it into a longer sausage. And all you're going to do is just push it in there. Now, you don't need to worry about putting corn flour or anything like that in there to stop it sticking, because if it's a good quality mold, that shouldn't be a problem. So what we're going to do is just push that in like so. So you just knead it in, and don't worry too much if it's a bit rough, because you are going to cover it, because we're going to put different toppings on the donut when it's made. But this just gets you the donut shape, and then on another clip, I'm going to show you how to paint it and make it look like a donut, a real one. And then we're going to decide what toppings to put on there. Coconut, strawberry, chocolate, that sort of thing. So anything really, whatever you can think of, because there's so many different toppings with donuts. So that's basically all you have to do. Now you can leave it in there to set, or I believe I've done this before, you can just pop it out already. So I'm going to try and do that for you now. And it might go out of shape slightly, but we can just put it back in there. But if I'm clever enough, I think I might be on this occasion, you get something like this. Now, you might find, you might think, oh, look at that, Sam, that's not very good, is it? It's all cracked and all that. But in real life, it would be cracked. You can't get perfect dough or anything like that these days. So what you're going to do is just let it dry like that, and then we can cover it up, because we're going to paint it to look like a donut, donut colour, like a creamy brown colour, and then we are going to put a topping on there, like I said before, strawberry, coconut, and all that. So it's all fake, and yeah, it's all going to be good. So I'm just going to leave that like so to set for a few days. And if it's slightly out of kilter with the circle, don't worry about that, because no donut's the same. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, you do. That's great. Okay, so basically that's all you do. So depending on how many coconuts you want, you just need to keep making these. Now, I make them out of clay. If you can imagine a few of these stuck on a board, then that would be fine. But clay can be slightly heavy when there's a lot of donuts all made out of clay. So in the future, I will try making them out of paper mache or something like that, or even, what's the word? I can't remember what the word is now. That's not good, is it, guys? I can't remember what it's called. Plaster of Paris. I remember just in time. So yeah, plaster of Paris. So that's goes hard like air dry clay, and it also is quite light, I believe. But I haven't used any for years. So what I will do is try and do that live online for you, online on this video, or not this video, video going forward, and yeah, we can go and see what that's like. But the principle is going to be the same regarding putting a topper on this donut and all the rest you make. So I'm going to carry on with that. I'm going to cut this clip, and yeah, I just wanted to show you that, really, just to show you how to make the actual donut. And yes, doesn't it look absolutely marvellous? So I'm going to leave this clip as it is and watch the second clip, and you'll see how to paint it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again in the next clip. Bye bye for now.